Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we'll see how to clear Google search history on the Samsung Galaxy A16. Now to do that, just open the browser on your smartphone. Now from here, just search myactivity.google.com. Once you have typed myactivity.google.com, just search. Now from here, scroll down and tap on the three dots near search your history. Now from here, just tap on delete activity by. Now from here, you can delete your activity of the last hour, the last day, and all time. Or you can set a custom range. Now for an example, we will select delete activity of the last hour. Now as you can see, it is deleting now. Now the second method to clear the search history on the Samsung Galaxy A16 is, now from here, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display. Now from here, just tap on history. Now from here, just tap on delete browsing data. Now from here, you can select the browsing data you want to delete. Just like that. Now from here, just tap on delete data and it will delete the data of the last hour. And also you can select which data to delete. For an example, you can select last week, the last 7 days, the last 24 hours. For an example, we will select the last hour. Now once you have selected the time period, just tap on delete data. Now as you can see, this is how you can clear the Google browsing data on the Samsung Galaxy A16. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.